Good morning, my community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. Just a very quick announcement, a very quick update. We are going live with our website. It has taken Greg, he said 17 weeks to get the website up and going. And you'll notice on there that the photos on the website are from us. And from our garden and from what's been going on here at the farm. There's lots of information out there about us. You can learn more about us, but I have a feeling the majority of you know exactly who we are and what's going on here. I'll put the website link down below. We are going to be selling our seeds, and we're going to be selling some of our herbs, our freeze-dried herbs. So if you're interested in that, go check that out. And we have got them all packaged up and ready to go. That link is www.alvaradocommunityfarm.com. But again, I'll put it down below. We got some exciting things going on here at the farm. Wanted to share this great information with you. And gosh, we're very excited. So the weather is nice and cool at night here. We were 48 degrees yesterday. So nice, guys. So very nice. We're going to be in the mid 80s for a couple of days this week, and then we get another cool front move through. So all my stuff here on the farm is looking really good. These greens are just gorgeous, and our seed transplants that we planted are starting to take off now, and I think we're turning the corner, guys. I think we're turning the corner. But anyway, be sure and check out our website. You can also go down there and you'll see a Facebook link and some other links down there. If you want to click those and go into and subscribe to those, that would be fantastic for us. But if not, understand. Take care, guys. God bless. We'll be in touch this week and let you know what's going on. We love you. Bye-bye.